Hey, welcome to sort of Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out the striped bass we did on the SNS Travel Kettle. Hey, you all know Jack behind the camera. Actually, don't know him, lucky you. And I'm Craig. So, got the SNS Travel Kettle set up at Jack's house today. So we're gonna do some striped bass. So we did this once before on the SNS Kettle. Turned out fantastic. So just trying to mimic it on the Travel Kettle, because again, for a weeknight meal, 2 nice fillets here, dinner for my wife and I, and be perfect. So hit it in advance here with the PS Seasoning Multi Tool. I actually used that as well before, and that was like fantastic. So let's see you on the grill. All right, let's get the striped bass on. I didn't mention in the beginning it, but we saw it before. My son-in-law caught these fresh, cut the fillets out, and vacuum seals them and brings them up, which is fantastic for us. So gonna let them on, probably check them in about 10 minutes or so and see where they're at, but it shouldn't take too long. Grill's running about 375 right now. All right, so that was 10 minutes. Just want to see kind of where we're at with a temperature check here. Oop, almost dropped the probe. Grill, like I said, running. 114, that's a good sign. 120, perfect. 145 is what I'm shooting for, so we're going to go another 5 minutes probably and then check this out again. All right, 5 more minutes. See, that grill temperature is running pretty nice, 375, 380. Boy, this is looking nice. Well, it didn't rise as much as I thought there. This one's close to done. We might be pulling this one off sooner than this one. So we're 127 there. And I thought I had a lower reading before. 147 here. 165 we're almost done there. 145 is what I go to. 138 there. So about 2-3 minutes, I'm going to pull that one. We're going to let this one ride another 5 minutes. All right, should be done. Like I said, we pulled the other one off. It was actually on about 7 minutes before we pulled it off. Get a reading on this one here. Actually, it was higher than what I was just checking it. It was about 140 something, but 151 isn't too bad though. So, like I said, just gonna take this right to the cutting board. See you there. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Had the SNS Travel Kettle set up. Did the striped bass indirect the whole time. Grill's running about 375, 380. Like I said, hit it in advance with the PS Seasoning Multi Tool. Tried this before on the regular SNS Kettle. Like I said, indirect heat turned out perfect. So cooking them to 145 degrees. The first one, this one, small one off, we pulled off about 23 minutes. This one about 28 minutes. And that was the cook. So like I said, I always go for 145. Let's see how we did here, but watching it, I saw the juice run out of it when I just poked into it there. That multi-tool is just like an SPG, just with a little extra flavor. So good. Can't wait to share this with the group. So hopefully, like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.